Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club. In this video, I would like to talk about the Bitcoin and a question I received a lot on the last several weeks. Is that a good time to buy the Bitcoin, and are we going to see all-time highs? So I would like to give you my inputs here and to share with you my view, my analysis, and why. I want to explain why do I see the price movement, as I will explain, the way I do, okay? And of course, the logic behind it. But before I go on to the charts, if you are new to this channel, welcome to our amazing community. I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Please follow the subscribe button below the video. And also, I invite you to join our trading family, Traders Academy Club. You can find the links to that below the video in the description or in the pinned comment. And as you already saw on this image, once you join our family, you get instant access to our VIP price action course. You enjoy from all our real-time trading ideas and real-time trading education. Each idea delivered to you with full detailed explanation behind, with all the trading techniques I apply in a dedicated video. You would enjoy from our trading community during the full week and all the support. And I hope you will enjoy the club, and you will find out why our club is on the very top for so many years. To join us, you're very welcome to follow the link below the video in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. So what do we have on Bitcoin? What is going on there with, what are these lines? With the price, and what do I expect to see here? So first of all, we are in a war, okay? Russia, Ukraine, all the situation there, it does not contribute to the positive sentiment in the market, and that affects on everything. That affects on a regular market, that affects on cryptocurrencies, that affects on many other markets where people simply do not rush to put their money in work anymore, and crypto is still not a safe haven as many would expect it to be, like gold or things like that. Crypto is still considered to be more speculative among the majority, and therefore its connectivity and its synchronization with the general markets, with the indices and the leading indicators in the financial markets. So technically speaking, okay, fundamentally, yes, it's not a good period. It's a very negative sentiment. Let's see how does that all look in technical view. The way I see that in technical, we are now entered, just to reduce that, which we, why it's not, sorry about that, guys, just to restart my pen for this chart. The way I see that, we have here classical waves, which means, from my point of view, the first journey of this long-term potential bullish run is probably over. And there is nothing wrong with that, because we already know that everything happens in life in cycles, same with every financial investment. I believe that this cycle came to the end. We have this bearish divergence, and back then we spoke about it, and you can find this video in our YouTube channel, in my YouTube channel, talking about the corrective movement I expect to happen. And it does happen right now. The question is, what's next? So what's next is usually corrective phases last in two legs, meaning we could see a BCD correction or a range. The range is also a possible corrective structure. Okay, so why we understand that we are very likely in corrective cycles, I would not get too excited because of course every rally is exciting, but I would not get too excited because I don't think that with the fundamental and the sentiment in the market and with the technical facts where I anticipate to have a corrective movement for a while, and this while could be all the way until 2024. Why not? Maybe 2025. Okay. There are talks about Bitcoin halving in this year as well, and the next contribution to the rally. It all could line up together, and it all could bring the exact thing I just show here: long range and under corrective phase, under corrective structure on the weekly chart. So when we take that and we take a look on the daily chart, what did we have on the daily chart? We had 3 absolutely classical waves down. The ideal scenario would be ABCD correction towards this high here, which still could happen, by the way, of course, but also very possible scenario, as I explained before on the weekly chart, to have a range here. Okay. And there is a very good chance that this is exactly what the market is trying to build right now. And if it does do that, I'm not going to predict anything here because it's unpredictable, but not predictable. But what I do here, I want to share with you my analysis and the scenarios to pay attention to and to follow. So when you trade that, have that in mind and make it like for me, right? It's like a leading indicator to my decisions in the crypto in the short term, because for long term, I just explained you my view. So if it is the range right now that we are facing here, then there is a good chance that after we break the range, we will complete the next corrective leg. And if that happens, it should be in few waves by itself. The good news are that once it's over, and if let's go back to the weekly, okay, if it is indeed the ABCD, then once we go below these lows, we have this all-time high before in 2017, if you remember, right? I still remember how everybody was excited back then, like, oh my God, it's unbelievable high. Look what happened after that. Very logical range. And I would not be surprised if we are going in the same period right now. Why not? If we do clean this low and we get closer to this high, this could become maybe the best opportunity, maybe even the last opportunity to enjoy from what I expect to happen afterwards as a massive rally and the beginning of next long term, I'm talking about years, rally that I believe will be developing pretty much in the same logic of waves, and yes, could create and should create technically all-time highs. The way I see that, if we go to the monthly, this was the first journey. Then once this correction is over, very likely the new journey would begin. Again, I'm talking about years here and not something specific. So is that a good time now to start investing heavy in the buys? Personally, and this is not any sort of recommendation for action or any financial advice, because it's just my technical and fundamental view, I don't think so. The negative sentiment worldwide and the technical view, the technical aspect, here I think it's smart to wait. Moreover, rallies, if happen, as I explained before, I would still use this opportunity to look for possible sells, because usually the corrections are not ending so fast. Okay, and these exciting rallies are usually nothing more than just traps. Let me know, what do you think about the Bitcoin in general, the crypto market? How do you anticipate to see the next price movement with the Bitcoin? and the other leading cryptos, share with me your view below the video. Also, I would like to ask your support in my work and my channel. If you find this video helpful and useful, please hit this like button below the video. Your help is a huge help to me and my channel and to my work. So thank you very much to those of you who help in advance. If you have any question that you would like to ask, and if I have an answer, of course, then I'll be more than happy to answer. Please hit your question in the comment section below the video, and I'll be more than happy to answer and help. And again, I hope you enjoyed such video and such views, because again, I don't even know how many tens of questions I got in the last weeks about the Bitcoin. Vlad, is that time? Because everybody wants to get involved. Everybody don't want to miss the opportunity. So I wanted to create this video so it's available for you and for those who watch this video. Feel free to share the video because it's free for the community, of course. So that's it. That's the purpose of the video. Once again, I invite you to join our trading family and enjoy all our real-time trading ideas and real-time trading education with the link below the video in the description and the pinned comment. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I wish you all the best. Stay safe, be healthy, and best regards and wishes to you and your beloved ones for the almost beginning of spring on this part of the world. So all the best, and thanks for your time. Bye for now.